Welcome back, and thank you for tuning in with School of Gold. Today we are learning about two new concepts, perimeter and area. You may have heard about this in school. What is perimeter? Perimeter is adding up the outside of the shape. You have to be careful because in some shapes it could be centimeters, meters, or even kilometers. So you have to double check. How you work out the perimeter of a shape is adding up all the sides of this shape. We'll use this shape as an example. This shape is a rectangle, but we know a rectangle has two sides opposite exactly the same size. So in this shape, you don't have the size, but we know what a rectangle is. So, how you work out the perimeter? 5 plus 5 for the opposite side, plus 4 plus 4. That comes to a total of 10 centimeters plus 8 centimeters equals 18 centimeters is the perimeter. Area. Area is completely different to the perimeter. Area is how much is inside the shape. Very easy to work out the area of a rectangle or a square because it's the same principle. Let's have a look. Using this shape, the area is the amount inside. So, 5 times 4 equals 20 centimeters. The formula for area is length times the width. Now comes the fun part. Let's look at a past paper. A rectangle is drawn on grid paper. The perimeter of the rectangle is 18 centimeters. If each side of the rectangle is doubled, what would happen to the area? I'll say this one more time. The perimeter of the rectangle is 18 centimeters. If each side of the rectangle is doubled, what would happen to the area? Most people would just go, the area is multiplied by 2 because that means it's doubled. But that will be wrong. Let's have a look at the example on the board. If this side is doubled, that will make it 10 centimeters. If this side is doubled, it will make it 8 centimeters. So 10 times 8 equals 80 centimeters. Now, what happened to the area? It's 20 centimeters squared. Is it times it by 2? No, it's times it by 4. So you have to be very careful. In summary, perimeter is adding up the outside of the shape, and the area is working it out by length times width, the amount of space inside the shape. Boys and girls, thank you for tuning in, and welcome to School of Gold.